Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to today's guitar lesson. And I'm going to show you how to play Nina Nesbitt's song Loyal to Me, which has a really cool 90s acoustic guitar part going on, which sounds like this. All the way through, so I'll show you how to play that. If you like what I do, please check out the website, and if you want private tuition or anything like that, all the info is on there. And subscribe, like, check out all the other links, and yeah, hope you enjoy this lesson. Okay, so this song uses 3 chords all the way through, and I'll show you those chords. So you have a C sharp minor, so you bar the 4th fret, so move down so you can see the whole guitar. Okay, with your first finger, remember, use a hard bony part on the outside closest to your thumb. Then, second finger goes on fret number 5 of the B string. Third finger goes on fret number 6 of the D string. Pinky goes just underneath on fret number 6 of the G string. Okay, that's your first chord. The second chord, okay, is still barring on the 4th fret, but you're going to change it to a G sharp. So move your bar so it's covering all 6 strings, and you play an E minor shape underneath. So third finger goes on box number 6 of the A string. Pinky goes just underneath on box number 6 of the D string. Okay, and your last chord is an A major bar chord. Okay, so from the G sharp, slide everything down 1 box, keep everything where it is. Okay, and the second finger goes on box number 6 of the G string. Okay, so you have your bar on 5th fret, third finger on box number 7 of the A string, pinky fret number 7 of the D, and then second finger on fret number 6 of the G string. Okay, so okay, and the chord progression for this song is going to go C sharp minor, 1, 2, A, G sharp minor, back to C sharp minor. Okay, so okay, so if you were strumming, that's how it sounds. Down, up, down, up. Okay, follow the riff so you can play it exactly how it sounds on the song. You start with your C sharp minor, and you play the middle 4 strings, so A, D, G, B in a row. Then you go straight to your A chord, and you play with your thumb the big E string, and then with your first, second and third finger you play the D, G and B all together. So you got C sharp minor. Okay, and then you do the same thing on the G sharp. You go, well, not quite, so you play the big E string, D, G, B. Okay, big E string, G, D, G, B. Okay, so it's C sharp minor, A, and you play all together, G sharp minor, back to C sharp minor, and you play the middle 4 strings together using your thumb, first, second and third finger. So really slowly, the whole thing. Okay, and that is all it does. The whole song is that little pattern there. And as you get a little better, you can add taps. But they're not on the song, it's just if you want to play it acoustically. Okay, so I hope you like that song. If you do, please like, comment. I'll try and answer as many questions as possible. If you want any lessons in the London area, please drop me a message and I'll see what I can do. Catch you next time.